Good morning, traders. Welcome on our live trading session. Before we start, please let me know if you can hear me well, if everything is okay. I'm gonna wait like 30 more seconds because there is small delay, so let me know in the chat if everything is working, and then we're gonna look for some opportunities on the market, guys. I'm checking over here, but it looks like everything is working. But if you can let me know on the chat, that would be great. All right, then. Today we're gonna focus on all-in ASAP strategy. In the morning, the strategy is working the best. That's why we are looking for some trades using this strategy. Later on, we're gonna have another live trading session, and we're gonna use price action cycle strategy. Uh, you should know that every single strategy is working in different hours. Okay, so price action cycle, it doesn't work in the morning. Maybe it will work for you, but 50-50. But if you want the best setups, the best timing, it's US session. All-in ASAP strategy works from the beginning of the day, so when the day is opening till like midday, let's say. And probably you can use it all day if you got some old targets, but most of the targets are settled before like 8 a.m. So if you like to trade in the morning, this strategy might be good for you. Hello, Victor. Hello, hello, guys. So before we jump into the charts, we need to check macroeconomic calendar to see if there is anything important today. This is Forex Factory. You can use any other calendar like investing.com or econoday.com. This one is pretty good. So today is the 8th of December. Uh, this week, 8th, yes, this week and next week, we're gonna finish our live trading sessions for this year. So I think the last session will be on 18th of December. After that, we're gonna have a break, like 2 or 3 weeks. I will let you know about that because second part of December usually it's not the best time for trading. There is less liquidity on the market. Sometimes markets may be very slow, or you can see unexpected moves. So it's better to stay away during that time. And we're gonna be back after New Year, probably first week of January. But I will keep you updated about that. Okay. So we are looking at current day. So it's Monday, the 8th of December, and I cannot see anything important in the calendar. I'm looking for high impact news. They are usually marked as red. So this is low impact. So we don't care too much about those news. So it looks like Monday is a good day for trading because we don't have any important news that can avoid our trading. So the same like in the morning, later on US session, it's gonna be good time for us for trading. So hopefully we're gonna make good profits today. Last week was pretty good, I can say. Last week, let me just switch account. This one I will show you. Last week, 3 positions were open, everything during live trading session, and you can see profits of $13,000 last week. Only 3 orders were placed. Hopefully, this week is gonna be even better because my goal is to make $50,000 till the 17th of December. So I got like 7, maybe 8 trading days. We will see. So another 37,000 to get. So let's do this, guys. Okay, let's check our platform, MetaTrader 4. I've got here all-in panel. This panel is showing me the latest targets, the targets which are not settled yet, so we can still use them. Also, it's showing me previous day, previous week, and previous month's highs and lows, clusters, and some kind of imbalances, swings, and there is Pharaoh mode to maximize the profits. Also, it calculates the risk, so it's pretty good tool. It saves a lot of time, especially for this strategy. So let me just click on daily targets. Today's target is already done. We got some targets. One target is around 34 pips away, and the other one is 48 pips away. First of all, we need to find out what is the market structure, okay? So we're gonna jump on 4-hour time frame. And let's see from 4-hour time frame what is the market structure. So I'm gonna mark the latest swings. We got swing low, swing high, swing high, swing low, swing high. We got double top over here. And it's hard to say over here. Probably we don't have equal bodies of the swing. So it's looking not the best, I would say. But yes, it looks like we are in bearish market structure according to the latest swings. So something changed over here, okay? So there is a chance we're gonna drop down. This is some kind of fail swing from 4-hour time frame. And we got double top over here. So I think a better idea will be the target which is under the price. This one here, but we will have to wait for the right conditions to enter the position, okay? Let's find out if we got any rotation channel. This is 1-hour time frame. Okay. Rotation channel. I will leave it like that. I know we got few overshoots right here. That's fine, but it's working pretty well. We had a lot of reactions at this level, so let's leave it like that. The top is not that important as the bottom, because if you want to open the trade to get to this target, which is under the price, we need to break through probably this trend line, this rotation channel, okay? Because we are still in bullish rotation channel. Okay, let's find out if we got any support resistance zone. Mm, 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 mm. This area right here, we had nice reaction, breakout, retest, few reactions. So we need to break through this support resistance zone for sure, and I would like to see breakout through this rotation channel, and this may take a time, maybe later on during the next session, or maybe tomorrow. Okay, I don't think we can use any of these targets at this moment. Probably not. If the price will break through this double top, let me just mark it on the chart. We're gonna break through this double top right here, and market structure will change for bullish, and maybe we're gonna be able to get to this target, which is above the price. So we got two options, but we're gonna have to wait for that. That's for sure. After the breakouts, it's good if we're gonna have a retest, but I'm not sure how much space we got here. 17 pips. It might be tight to get to that target because we need at least 20 pips, but we have cluster at the target, and maybe we can set order for reaction. Not like this, sorry guys. Like this. Reaction for 10 pips. 4 hour time frame. We still got plenty of time because today market done 38 pips, total 60 pips. So I'm not sure about this trade. We are far away from this target, so I'm not gonna set order for reaction now. I'm gonna wait for more information. So first of all, uh, I'm looking for the breakout through this double top, or we need to get to the other side of rotation channel. So maybe later, I'm not making any screenshots. We're gonna have a look at that later on. We need to find something now so we can open position during live trading session. Okay, let's skip to the GBP USD. Target above the price around 23 pips. Do we have any clusters? No clusters. No clusters. 4 hour time frame. This is some kind of range right here. Market structure. It looks like bullish for now. It looks like bullish for now, but we are in some kind of range. And it's a bit tight from this place. Even if the candle from 1 hour time frame will close like this, we won't have a space to open the trade. So it's a better idea to wait for the price to drop down, and maybe after we're gonna have our chance to get to the target. But we need more space on this one, okay? GBP USD 1 hour time frame. Unfortunately, no, not at this moment. So let's look at USD CHF. We are 25 pips away. Okay. 4 hour time frame. Latest swings right here. Looks like we are in bearish market structure at this moment. Come on. I'm not sure if this gonna work. Let's leave it like this for now. Because we are in bearish market structure, we can think about this target right here. And if this rotation channel is gonna work, we should bounce from this rotation channel. We had a reaction already, but the thing is, I don't like the spaces in this rotation channel, okay? Probably we need to do it in a little bit different way. second. Let's try it now. It looks a little bit better now because we had overshoot, undershoot, and right here it looks like we are breaking through this channel and we are on the way up. Let's see if we got any cluster at the target. We might use setup for reaction. And oh, I thought we have a cluster, but we don't have a cluster. That's no good. That's no good. Because we are in bearish market structure from 4-hour time frame, I cannot use this target. It's only 20 pips away now. But it might be hard to use it. And the other one, we got this target is quite far away, 120 pips. There is another one right here, which is 53 pips away. This one can be good, but first of all, we got some clusters right here. So we would have to wait for the breakouts through these clusters, okay? The price needs to come back to the rotation channel and retest it from the inside, and then we're gonna have a chance to get to that target. But for this setup also, we're gonna have to wait, unfortunately. But this can be good setup, guys, but probably for later on. This might be good setup to get to this target. Then we're gonna place stop loss under these clusters, and I'm pretty sure we can get 1 to 2 risk to reward. Okay, but the thing is, we need to go back into rotation channel. That's very important because we are on the other side of rotation channel, and there is possibility that the price will continue. This is 1-hour time frame. Continue its growth. Okay, sounds good. So I'm gonna make a screenshot because I might use it later. This is pretty good. Mhm. Copy. Where is the trading journal? ASAP strategy. Let's add 08th of November. 08th, not 9. And this is USD 1-hour time frame. Okay. Market structure from 4-hour time frame is bearish, and the price is outside the need to wait for the price to come back to the region. Then after action, okay, we're gonna have a look at that later. We might use it during US session, we will see. Okay, so we got one plan. which we're gonna have to wait for. USD CAD. On Friday, there was strong drop of the price. I think we had some news in Canada. That's why the price dropped. So do you have any clusters? Sorry, not clusters, targets. No targets close by. The market structure is bearish, and this is 160 pips away, so we cannot use it at this moment. Let's go to USD JPY. Targets under the price. 58 pips. Okay, what about this one here? It's 75 pips. Okay, let's check market structure from 4-hour time frame. I'm gonna turn off these targets. Probably we are in some kind of rotation channel. We're gonna try to find this out in the second. First of all, what is the market structure? It looks like bearish, but you never know. We need to check that out. Latest swing, swing high, swing low. Over here we had swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, and the price went through this last swing high, which means something is changing over here, and we might have bullish market structure. It looks like bullish, so let's check if we got any rotation channel to check this highs. Okay, I think we'll have to do it like this. I need to grab the body, because if we're gonna do it like that, first two swings, it's not gonna be any good. So I think this should be okay. This should work. Let's check the bottom, and the bottom is working perfectly. Okay, so this is our rotation channel. Look at the reactions from the bottom. Pretty nice. We got some undershoot right here. We got some reactions down there as well, and top is working pretty well. We had some reactions. So if here something changed, okay, and we are in bullish market structure from 4-hour time frame, to confirm that, we need to break through this rotation channel, and the best if we can retest it from the other side. That will be the best option for us. Let's check where is our target. Target is right here. We got plenty of space, 70 pips, which is good. Let's check 1-hour time frame if we got any support resistance zones. Probably this one here. This is the place where we had some reactions. Every time the price got to this area, boom, the same over here. So this is quite important zone. And the latest zone is right here. This might be also good for us, because we're gonna get here, maybe we're gonna retest this area and then break out. Okay, we're gonna have a chance to go up. So it's working pretty good, because something is changing on the chart. We can try to find a rotation channel opposite direction. Okay, let's check the bottom, because we might use it later on. Mm, mm, mm. It's hard to say. I'm gonna leave it for like this for now, because we had some reactions here, which is good. Is it the best rotation channel? I don't think so. Let's check the like this. Maybe like this. I will remove it for now. Okay, let's leave the first option. Later on, if we're gonna have some more informations, maybe we're gonna be able to uh, make it a little bit better. Let's leave it for now. Look at this. We are breaking through, which is good. It's very good. So we might have a chance to get to this target. Let's check previous high and low of previous day, week, and month. So this is previous day high. We need to break through that for sure. This is also our support uh, at this moment resistance zone. Okay, so let's check clusters as well. And also we got some clusters. So this zone is pretty strong. So if you want to think about these targets, we need to break through this area and retest it, okay? Uh, we might have two different situations over here. Let me just zoom it in, okay? So first of all, if we're gonna break through, that will be great. We're gonna wait for retest of this zone, and after reaction of buyers, we can enter the trade, okay? We need to look at exponential moving average as well. This is very important. And right here, the stop loss would be under this. We can even do it lower under this zone probably because we got some space. I'm pretty sure we can get 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, but also we can do smaller stop loss just right under this support resistance zone, and risk to reward will be 1, 2, 3. So we got two different options to open the trade. But first of all, we need to break through. We need to see retest, reaction at this zone, probably reaction on exponential moving average 21. Then we're gonna have plenty of space to open the position. No clusters on the way, no swing. So it's clear, I would say. And 2 pips before the target, of course, take profit. Let me just make a screenshot. This might be nice trades. We're gonna put that in the trading journal. USDJPY, 1 hour time frame. Okay, we're gonna add description in a second. Let's look for the second option. So the second option that we're gonna bounce, we can bounce from this area because this is resistance zone. Then we might retest this rotation channel from the top. And if we're gonna break through and the candle will close above this area, that's a moment for us to enter the trade. Stop loss is gonna be similar. Risk to reward 1 to 2. Uh, So depends what's gonna happen on the chart, how the price will go, where we're gonna have reaction. We can wait and see. We got two different plans to open the position. Maybe we're gonna have to wait another hour, maybe 2 hours, maybe till we're gonna have to wait till US session. We'll see, but it's looking pretty good. Target is quite far away from the price at this moment. No Mm, nothing on the way what can block us from getting to the target. So for me, it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna save it also. Okay, I'm gonna add another screen. In both cases, In both cases, I need to see the price to break through. In both cases, I need to see the price to break through important support and resistance zone. First, retest it. Second, option to retest above support resistance zone. Okay, so we got another plan. We're gonna take it slowly, guys. Mm, you know that patience here is the key. We can have a plan. The plan, we got two already plans ready for later. And sometimes you just need to wait for the perfect moment to enter the position, okay? So it would be great if we can find every single time on live trading session to open the trade and close it during a live trading session. But it doesn't work like that. Sometimes when I open position in the morning, I need to wait 15 minutes for the full take profit. And sometimes I need to wait all day for full take profit. And sometimes I need to close it before the end of the day because the price is still moving somewhere between take profit and break even, let's say, okay? So it's every day is different. We got plan is ready. We're gonna try to use it later on. I'm gonna look at USD JPY and USD CHF for sure later, and proper maybe we're gonna be able to make some good profits. The risk for those trades will be $5,000 per trade for me, and risk to reward is 122. Oh, come on, 122, and the same for this one here. Okay, risk to reward 122. So risking $5,000, I will be able to get $10,000. All right, what else do we have? The price is breaking through. Let me just have a look at USD CHF. Probably we're gonna go up. It looks like we're gonna go up, but let's leave it. Uh, Australian dollar. Do we have any targets? Let's check it out. All in panel. Yes. Oh, no targets, no targets. One is very far away, so we cannot use it. So let's leave it. New Zealand dollar, probably same, probably because they are uh, very similar instruments. Okay, what about crude oil? Come on. We got target, but it's far, far away. 293 pips. No chance to open the trade now. No other targets close by. And the last chance is gold. What's going on gold? Let me just remove some things from the chart. Okay. Maybe gold. We got some targets, one here, the other one here. Uh, any clusters? No. There is one cluster on the way to the target. Okay. So what is the market structure? From 4 hour time frame, we had swing right here, swing, swing, swing. It looks like we are in bullish market structure. which is good because we got targets right there. So we want to use that target probably. And because we are in bullish market structure, that can work for us pretty well. I want to check if we got any rotation channel or support resistance zone. Might be hard because here we are in some kind of range, like you can see. 1 hour time frame. I can draw only like support zone, something like this. Not sure if you're gonna use it or not. Maybe. And support resistance zone. It's here. We are getting close to that support resistance zone. Also, we got something on the way to our targets, which is here. This is some kind of support resistance zone as well. You can see it's working because we had some reactions. So this target is looking pretty nice, 240 pips away. Not that far, but we are going down at this moment. And you should know that if you are looking for any buy option, we need to see the price to close above exponential moving average. Okay, so we need to see the price go up. We are going down at this moment. We might get here and then they can bounce, maybe. We will see. But what I'm looking for is this area right here. First of all, I want to see the price breaking through. If they break through, that's good, but I always wait for the retest. So if we're gonna break through, I'm gonna wait for the retest. This is gonna be the best option for me. Uh, it's pretty easy. All in ASAP strategy. It's not complicated. Uh, you can complicate that, but you don't have to. It's pretty simple. We need to look for only a few things because we got target from yesterday, and there is high possibility that the price will get there today. So I'm not sure if you're gonna go lower. Maybe we're gonna go straight up. It doesn't matter. I need to see the price breaking through this support resistance zone, and then I will enter the trade. Also, I can add some kind of trend line over here, resistance line. So if you're gonna break through, I'm gonna be more sure that we are on the way up, and it's looking pretty good. Gold is quite dynamic instrument, so later on we might get there very quick, like hour or two. Uh, Gold can do that. 240 pips is nothing for gold, so um, hopefully we're gonna be able to use that target. We cannot use any other target at this moment because this one here it's under the price. We are in bullish market structure. We don't have any cluster. And to be honest, I do not set orders for reaction on gold. This is very risky. Reactions on gold for 10 pips doesn't make sense. Maybe reaction for 100 pips makes sense, but it's still very risky. So orders for reaction on gold, I would say no. Better not. Hello, Romek. Hi. Okay, let me just make a screenshot. We're gonna wait for that as well. You can see if we got strategy all in ASAP and we are looking for some trades in the morning, but we cannot open anything, but we got plans. I'm not sure. Maybe one of these instruments gonna work. Maybe all other our plans we won't be able to use. That's fine. I need only one good trade, guys. One good trade, and I can finish for today. So let's wait. We need to be patient now because we got some plans. We got 3 plans already. We can just wait and see what the price will do. and we're gonna try to join the market later on, hopefully. Uh, if not, next session we're gonna use price action cycle strategy. We're gonna uh, we're gonna go to 5 minutes time frame, and we're gonna look for some opportunities. Maybe during US session we're gonna be able to open the trades. But I think these three different plans are pretty good, and then now we got three different plans from All in ASAP. Now we can relax, wait till next session. And between those two sessions, I'm going to look maybe every 30 minutes, look at the chart. Where is the price? So I can get prepared to open the trade. Okay. So on gold, mm, there is bullish market structure. There is bullish market structure. That's why break and retest. There are no risk to reward 1 to 2 at least. 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Okay, three simple plans. We got three simple plans. We just need to wait for the right conditions so we can open the trades. We don't need to rush, guys. Like you can see, last week, only three trades were open, just three trades during the whole week on our live trading sessions. And we got $13,000. So I think it's pretty good. We got no stop losses last week. Why? Because we are waiting for the best plan, and I don't need to trade every single day. I don't need to place 20 orders a day. I'm just looking for one, maximum two trades a day, but the best setups. If I cannot see best setup, I do not trade. So try to think about that when you're gonna trade. Try to stick to one or two trades per day. Trust me, if you're gonna limit your transactions to one order per day, you will look for the best setup only. Because if you got no limits and you see situation on the market and you are not sure, you're gonna think, okay, maybe I open the position, maybe I'm gonna get take profit. And usually that ends up with stop losses. So no, if you got limit to one order, trust me, you will pick only the best setup. So it is good to have those limits. All right, guys, I think that's it. Nothing else we can do on this session. Later on, we're going to try a price action cycle. There's no news later on, so it's going to be good for us, hopefully. And these three different plans, I will look for them. If I'm going to see any of these situations, I will open the trade. Risk to reward at least 1 to 2. $5,000 risk per trade, and we'll see, guys. All right, thank you, guys. This session is a little bit shorter, 45 minutes, but if there's nothing to do, we don't need to sit and watch every single candle. It doesn't make sense. So we're gonna wait and see uh, what's gonna happen after. Okay, guys, thank you for this session, and I will see you later on during US session. We're gonna look for some trades as well. That will be in about 4 hours time. So see you later, guys. Take care and have a good day, and I wish you a lot of profits. Take care.